Okay, this is a video for the Gall pond fix. First we'll start off with along the side here, there is a small, maybe like a 12-inch retaining wall. He says that these plants, these hostas, are planted right on top of it. Just a little retaining wall that got covered up that he'd like to be exposed again. Just like a stacked stone wall like we have here that runs around. Here's the remnants of it. You can see it kind of flows through here. So that's covered up. He'd like that to be uncovered. The pond itself, he'd like it to be significantly smaller. He's okay with having a pond, but he wants to focus on the fall. So he liked the pondless waterfall idea that he saw at our shop. He goes, he's okay having more stream, much less pond. So 2-tier waterfall. He said if possible, have it turned a little bit more so it's more facing the entertaining area. And he just doesn't want it to take up much space. He said he's even okay if we keep the pondless, keep the fall over in this area and then have a stream and then have the pond end right in here. So a much smaller pond. He really wants to focus on the stream and the 2-tier fall. Probably don't have to go as heavy on the flagstone. We can utilize some of it, but you know, just a little more visually appealing. Much smaller, turn it a little bit. And he also brought up some concern about just making this look a little more natural. We have some exposed wire and things like that back here. And lastly, he's going to be, I know we had discussed doing it next week. He's going to be out of state next week, so he said if possible, he'd like to be here a little more throughout the project. And, you know, he'd like just let us know when we plan on getting started. But he said he'd really prefer it if we wouldn't do it next week and we'd start it the following week. So I think that's everything.